Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to increase YouTube RPM. Well, the first thing to do is to go to YouTube account and then click YouTube Studio. It will take you directly into this. And next is tap this analytics. Once you're on your studio or YouTube studio, you have to tap this analytics. And you can see here the information about your analytics. But unfortunately, I am not yet monetize, so you cannot see the revenue here. But next to research is revenue. There should be revenue here. It will show your income for year, months, or days, something like that. So the tutorial is all about how to increase RPM. The first thing to do is to make sure that your video is with high quality. So it should be not just 720, but it should be 1080 or 2K, something like that. Make sure that you have a good quality video so that your viewers will recommend it to others, will share it. In that way, you can increase your RPM. Apart from that, also make sure that your video is above 8 minutes so that the views or viewing length hours also increase, something like that. So it should be 8 minutes up. Third is increase your CPM, but that would be another tutorial. But both are very essential for your YouTube channel, the CPM and RPM. But it's very important also to increase your CPM. And lastly is that when you make content, make sure that when you edit, make sure that there will be no distractions. I mean, it's a good editing and good topics, something like that. Excellent topics, excellent editing, so that the viewers will watch it again and again. Or like what I've said earlier, they will recommend it to your friends or post it to their social media platforms. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.